Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you some annoying things about iOS coming from an Android fanboy. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I've been using the iPhone 13 for about 4 days now. No, this is not like a review or 24-hour later. This is my opinion on iOS coming from an Android fanboy. This video is for someone that's looking to switch over. These are some of the annoying things that still is wrong with or annoying to me on iOS. Now, if you are an iOS fan, you have Apple, that's all you really use, then yeah, you kind of used to it. But coming from Android, these things just want to make you pull your hair out or even make your hair turn gray, which mine's already gray mostly. If any of these are annoying or if there's a fix to them and I just don't know about it, let me know in the comments. All right, so I don't want to make the video too long, so let's get into it and let's go over some of the annoying things to me. So the first thing I want to do is just the app placement on iOS. So, and what I mean by that is, so if I want my Credit Karma app down here, I just can't do it. Like on Android phones, I have a certain spot where certain apps go, and I just can't do that here. Like even if I want this folder this way and this folder down here, it just doesn't. Why iOS? That is so annoying to me. I mean, it's just the most annoyingest thing that I could think about. Why? Let me place it where I want to, please. I know my Apple sheep are gonna be like, okay, that boy is special, but really, I need to be able to place the apps where I want to. I don't want them just in the line like that. That's just ugly. It's just not right. All right, so another thing that's annoying, and this is probably just my OCD kicking in, and I don't know how to change it, but do y'all see the numbers on there? Like 539, that one has 3. If my camera will focus, that one has like 934. There's no way of changing that to just badges. I don't know if you can. I looked in the settings. I couldn't find it anywhere. But those numbers really drive me yeah, I want to pull my hair out, and I don't even have hair to pull out, really. So those numbers really annoy me. I know y'all can make fun of me. Y'all can say what it is, but those numbers really annoy me. Another thing that's annoying is that sometimes in iOS, instead of doing one step to delete something, you might have to do multiple steps. So say if I want to delete a conversation I'm having with anyone, or if I'm getting messages for passwords, you have to hit the edit button, select the messages, and then you can delete them. Where on Android, you can actually just hold this down and it would delete it. Just the extra steps that you have to do when using iOS is just annoying. There's other things too that takes 2 steps. I mean, just like deleting the email, it's like an extra step, that extra button you have to press. Those things are just annoying. It's just, I don't know. Maybe coming from Android, I'm not used to it. Maybe if I use iOS all the time, it's something you get used to, but when you're coming from Android, it's really annoying, y'all. The other thing that annoys me is when you have multiple apps and you want to just clear it out one by one. There's no clear all. We all know Android has it, but you have to do one by one. Why? I have carpal tunnel now because my finger hurts because I'm always swiping up to clear my apps. I don't know why they will not hit a clear all button. I know some of these things are petty. It's just coming from Android, just annoying me. I'm sorry, y'all. They're just annoying. All right, so another thing that's annoying too is, so if I go into the camera app, normally in Android, you can change your settings here. You can do multiple things here. You can't do that with iOS. You actually have to go into settings, find the camera app, wherever the camera app may be, and make changes here before you can do it in the app, which, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they won't, yeah. I know they want to be different from Android. I know Apple sheep are going to probably roast me in the comments, but come on. I thought it was simple to use iOS. I know it's not a big deal, but when you're trying to do camera comparisons and you have to change some things and you gotta get out of the camera app and then go into the settings and go back to the camera button, it gets annoying. Trust me, do it. Go try to do some comparisons and you will know what I mean. All right, so the last annoying thing, I don't want to make this video too long, which is probably becoming long, is just the notifications, how you get them, how they look, how you have to swipe down just on this side to get them, and trying to clear them out is something else too. It could be a lot cleaner. Coming from Android, I don't know. Y'all let me know. So if you're an Apple fanboy, what y'all think about this video, let me know. Notifications are whack, man. I just can't. Yeah, I'm gonna put my main card back into my fold sooner or later, but definitely want to try this phone out more. There's some good things about iOS and definitely this phone that I will come back and make another video for. But if you're an Apple fanboy, let me know what y'all think about the video. Did I miss anything? Can I change any steps? And if you're thinking about going from Android to iOS, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.